friends, we're on the way to Samlan National Park with my friend Boss Seth Mahayag. Former MVP sa AUP Basketball! Patay ka bay. Gibidyo ko nimo, mabidyo ko ka! Okay? We're on the way now, so birada lang ta. Okay? Baskin sa pa ng COVID din ha. We need to find ways to be positive and do things and to keep ourselves busy. We are now entering Samlan National Park.
Samlan, we are here now.
Kamo mga amigo diha sa Kamindanawan o mga Bisaya, pag makalaag mo diri sa Thailand, siguraduhin ninyo nakasubscribe mo kay Rap Rako.
Yes,
kay kani ang mo birada. Kaniyo kana mo birada bay gala mulaag ni sa inyo diri ba? Oo. Inter na po ko kaming duha. Libre gapas sa airport. This is the main entrance of Samlan National Park here, located in Saraburi province. Alright, sprinklers cool us down. Here, Namtok Samlan National Park, Thailand. Alright, we're set to go. Kaodeng Forest with the Raprako vlogger. Look at this guy. Don't forget to subscribe. That's Master Seth. In the past, Namtok Samlan National Park was covered with natural abundance and high degree of biodiversity. During World War II, the forest of Khao Samlan was once occupied by the Imperial Japanese Army because of the strategic location. During the time, the large forested region deteriorated due to the pavement of roads, building of air raid shelters, drilling mountains into caves to make a place to store supplies, and make turrets for installing an anti-aircraft gun. After the war, the area of 24 square kilometers was declared as the Namtok Samlan Forest Park, and in 1960, reforestation began and the region gradually recovered. Alright, the person you see in front is not the Japanese commander, but we can always check. Bye, can you please look here, bye? Yeah. No, that's not the Japanese commander. That's Raprako, alright? So don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, down. That's it. Bye.
Yes.
Where's the commander now? No more commander?
Maybe we need to step back a bit. As we don't know if a python or somebody might be waiting for us there. You see, big spiders there. Yeah, big. By 1981, the park was upgraded to a national park and named Khao Samlan National Park. It is the 27th national park in Thailand. Later, it was renamed to Namtok Samlan National Park. Alright, we are almost at the descending area. Okay, we're going to gain speed here. Down! Ito! Ascending again. This trail is also called Japanese military base nature trail. It's just located before entering Samlan National Park. It's just around 1.5 miles. Whoa, this is something. Hiking. Far can see there is a huge trees and with a look at that beautiful place with fresh air. Alright, we're entering Samlan National Park. Tea station. See? See? Alright, everything is in Thai. Pick up!
Oh my God, God.
Ah, pick up? Oh, okay, okay. Pick up. Oh, so sorry. The place is closed because of the COVID. Oh, I'm really sorry. This place. Yes, Mr. Raprakol there in front of us. So if you guys visit here in Saraburi, Thailand, what Praputa Chai? See the monkeys there? Hey, look like that. Oh man. Yeah, people here, they sell bananas, herb, bunch of things. It's around 20 baht. Feed it to the monkeys, and you know, monkeys are just these are Thai monkeys. Sawadee krap. Alright, let's end stay light with Mr. Rapraco. Alright, we're set to go now. That's our Samlan trail ride today, alright? Bye! Bye! Look at this guy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, alright? Rapraco with Brother Seth, alright? Thank you so much.